Magandang hapon po ng April 23, 2026 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng April 23, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng April 23, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. the result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 23, 2026, Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for Thursday, April 23, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for April 23, 2026, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.